What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Dion Rogers, and on this channel I'm going to be recording my journey from $75 to $10,000, if not more. Hopefully it'll be more, but we can only hope, we can only dream. But anyways, guys, this is going to be my journey of $75. I'm going to see what I can turn this $75 into in a year's time. And then after that, I'm going to see what I can turn the $75 into from there. We are not going to be investing any extra funds. It's just this $75. So if I embarrass myself, I'm going to take a huge L for this, and everybody can laugh at me and just say I'm not doing anything right and I don't know what I'm doing. You can troll in the comments, do whatever. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But anyways, guys, this is going to be my $75 journey, and we're going to see where that takes us. Right now, what I'm going to do is pretty much give you guys a basic rundown of my history in the stock market. I've been investing in the stock market for 4 years. In those 4 years, I have learned a lot about the stock market. I've made plenty of mistakes, but I've also made a lot of gains. I have a TD Ameritrade account where I have my retirement through my daytime job, invested all in that, and then I also have my personal account, both of which I am making decent money on right now. But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm investing $75 in the stock market on Robinhood. I decided to use Robinhood because I use Webull for other things, and I use TD for what I just told you guys I use TD for. So this gives Robinhood a use right here, and I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to use the free stock. If you guys join Robinhood through that link, you get a free stock. But anyways, let's get straight to the story. Let's get back to it. So here's going to be our first investment. Our first investment is going to be GTE. This is going to be a short-term investment. What that means is we're probably not going to be in this stock for longer than 6 months. 3 months actually. We're probably not even going to be in this stock for longer than a month, more than likely, knowing me. But anyways, guys, so this is the plan. Always come into the market with a plan, because when you don't, that's when you make mistakes. Trust me, you make last minute mistakes and just do things based off of emotion, and that could either make you or break you when it comes to the stock market. But anyways, guys, so what I am expecting to do with my plan is with the $75, I'm probably going to be shorting a lot of stocks up until maybe about the $100 to $150 range, when I have enough capital to actually turn around and sit on some stocks a little bit longer, like 3 months to 6 months, and then I'll slowly increase the amount of time that I sit on certain stocks depending on what potential I see in each company. But anyways, guys, the first stock that we're looking at is GTE. This is a gas and oil company based out of Colombia. They also operate in Peru and Brazil. The reason I am in this is because obviously, guys, if you guys have been in the market, if you haven't been in the market, well, you wouldn't know, but the energy sector is on fire recently. It's just been pretty much this whole year. It's been like some pretty crazy runs, and hopefully I'm looking to catch something. But as you can see on this chart right here, the 5-year chart, they did stay around like the $3 to $4 range for quite a bit of time, and then it hovered around $1 and then slowly decreased around the time of COVID. And I am hoping for the stock to recover. As you can see here, it's been maintained at a sector perform. So by that, I honestly think this stock is going to recover, because a lot of the plays that I've been looking at lately have been stocks that haven't fully recovered from COVID, but now with all the news of vaccines and stuff coming out like that, there's a very, very big chance that most of these companies will recover if they were doing fine pre-COVID. But guys, a lot of companies have been severely hurt by this whole pandemic. This whole year has just been a crapshoot, so a lot of companies may not recover at all. So what you want to do is always keep up with like the past 6 months worth of news on each company. Any kind of due diligence that you can do, any kind of PR that you could find, you want to dig it up. So what I went ahead and did was I just went back to, I think, 2019 of August, and just did so much digging on GTE. I saw what I liked, and I saw some things that I didn't like, but what I liked overruled what I didn't like, and that's why we're going to go with this company, because I believe this company is going to be safe enough to jump in. Low risk, high reward. That's what you want. Low risk, high reward. So I think that's going to be one of these companies right here, especially because it's in the 20-cent range. There's not really much to lose. and if I see it go below maybe about 18 cents, that's when I might, okay, it might be time to jump out, but we'll decide that when the time comes. But I honestly think this has a very, very great upside potential. All right, so with this $75, I do not recommend this, but this is what I'm doing because I just have so much confidence in myself. I know I'm being really cocky right now, but anyways, guys, I went all in on GTE. It's really, really good to actually diversify your portfolio and not go all on one stock, because if that stock does tank, that's all your money right there. Boom, you're done if anything bad does happen with the company. But I've had quite a few times where I actually lost money, okay? But anyways, guys, pretty much I have some pretty decent faith that this stock is going to continue to go up after seeing what I just seen. It's about like 8 o'clock right now, so pre-market is officially over, and I'm already up $1. I'm at $76 now. We broke our first dollar. Let's go. We broke our first dollar. I did not take an L and embarrass myself, because I would have uploaded the video anyways. But and yeah, that would sucked. But anyways, guys, so we're up our first dollar, which is awesome. Don't know why I just threw up West Side, but West Side, I'm not even from West Side. All right, let me stop getting off track, man. Okay, so we jumped in. We have 313 shares off of our initial $75 investment. We are now at $76, which is awesome. I'm pretty stoked to see what happens tomorrow, because the average volume right here, as you can see, is 2.2 million, the average 10-day volume. And for today, we have a 2.7 million volume. So that's a little bit of an increase in volume. So that means there's a decent amount of trades happening on this ticker right now. And it could bring some eyes to this later on in the week, which could possibly lead towards a nice little run. What I'm looking for right now for my plan is maybe to jump out at about 10 to 20% gain. So hopefully if we can squeeze out another 10 to 20% gain. So if we can squeeze out a little bit more, we'll probably try to squeeze that out. I'm actually considering also maybe holding out a little bit longer, see if we can reach that dollar, because I really believe this company has the potential to return back up to $1 and completely recover from this terrible dip that they've seen within the past couple of months. But anyways, guys, that is our first initial investment. We're jumping in the market with $75. Hopes and dreams of reaching $2 grand by the same time next year, and then bigger hopes and dreams of reaching at least $10,000 in 2 years from now. So by 2022, I'm hoping to be at 10 grand on this account. So we'll see what happens. As far as like editing and like rehearsing and whatnot goes for my videos, I'm not doing any of that, guys. I'm gonna keep it straight 100 with you guys the whole time. So if my kids come running in or anything like that, I'm not gonna edit it out. That sounds bad, but yeah, I'm not gonna edit it out, guys, because I'm just trying to keep this simple and fun, and this is just how it's gonna be. So what we're going to be doing now is just waiting for tomorrow. I'm gonna try to upload a video at least every Monday and then Fridays. So at the start of the trading week, and then at the end of the trading week, I'll keep you guys updated. I may do like different smaller videos in between that time when I have the time to do it, but I'm pretty busy with my kids and my family and stuff, so I'll try to see what I can squeeze out. But anyways, guys, I'm super excited to at least get this video done, because I've always been wanting to do some investing type videos with the market and different ways that you can make money, because I've had success with other ways other than the market and making money. But I've done pretty decent in the market, and I just feel like I'm doing something decent by giving back and possibly making you guys money. I wouldn't say to follow everything that I say, because this is just my perspective, it's my opinion. So do what you want, do your own research, do your own due diligence, do you. Don't follow me word for word, because you may or may not make money. So with that being said, I hope you guys love my channel, want to follow it and keep up with the journey. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you've got any questions on any ticker symbols or whatnot, I will look into them when I get the chance, and I'll give you a response on that. But anyways, guys, this is Dion. Thanks for watching.